Are you considering if you should repair or replace your water heater unit? Here are some tips to help you in making a decision. A blown fuse, tripped breaker, leaking or bad valve, faulty thermostat, hissing or sizzling noise, and leaking water supply lines are some common issues that can be repaired affordably.
However, if you have a water heater that is more than 10 years old and has some corrosion issues, you should consider replacement if possible. A new unit can cost anywhere from $350 to $3,500. If you are not comfortable working with gas and hot water, professional installation is recommended. When selecting a new unit, consider your needed gallon capacity, recovery rate, dimensions, and energy efficiency ratings. Despite the abundance of cheaper units with lower upfront cost, some energy-efficient units can save up to 50% of the electricity used, thus saving more money in the long run.
Water heater should be maintained periodically in order to prevent corrosion and improve energy efficiency.
First of all, you should keep your water heater thermostat at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and install low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators to prevent overworking your water heater.
Next, you should drain the water heater every year to get rid of accumulated sediment that causes corrosion, and test the pressure relief valve.
Like our video? Subscribe to our channel and visit www.elahomerepairs.org. Or contact 800-368-PROS for a free contractor referral.